Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how to fix call failed on iPhone. So first thing, just try to check your seller data. So also you can do it in the settings. Just open seller and just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can switch from LTE to 3G and to LTE again. So if it doesn't help you, just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after you can try to restore your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power the phone again, so just simply restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.